Now, obviously, with the rumors of Prado coming over next year for Supercross and motocross to, race the whole season, now we have a little bit of a fun thing. Obviously, Kaida Wolf just won his MX2 championship, and Steve Mathis, Pulp MX, depending on what you want to call him, says, quote, "The guy at the pipe shop in Corona, California told me he's very interested in Wolf coming to the USA." Now, obviously, that would be Mitch Payton. And apparently, if you pay attention to some of the rumors, it's going to be Prado on a Kawasaki. So if Payton starts bringing over all of the, well, not all of, but starts bringing over a lot of, or at least a few big names from the MXGP side of things, it's going to be big for the sport. Um, Obviously, these are guys who are going to be well known in Europe. There's, fan bases over there for them. And if you start bringing them over here to Supercross, there's a whole nother class of people, not class, whole nother subsection of fans that may not have watched Supercross, may not still watch Supercross because it's not their thing. But, if you're a fan of someone, you're going to follow them more than likely, at least see how they're doing. And obviously, he said in a in a reply to that tweet, said, quote, "I would say KTM wouldn't let him go, but with all the guys they have, the financial issues they're having, you never know." And another tweet, he said, "Yeah, I'm not talking next year, just sometime." So who knows? I mean, obviously, he has a championship now. He's gonna have all of the offers, however you want to say it, for either staying with Husqvarna or moving to KTM. Maybe if Prado leaves, I don't think gas is going to be a thing, but it's kind of one of those things that you start winning championships and teams are going to want to retain you, and they're definitely not going to want to see you leave from MXGP to uh, over here in Supercross and motocross. And it also kind of depends on, do these guys want to race Supercross? Because that's where obviously the big money is, where most of the glitz and glamour comes from. But you never know. It'd be kind of cool to see if you start seeing a lot of these guys move over. Obviously there's Hurling's talking about the joke of safety being over there, and who knows. But that's where I leave it for you guys. Comments down below. Do you think this would be good? Do you think he's even interested? Or what would it take? Comment down below. Tell me what you think. While you're down there, make sure to like, share, subscribe, do all the fun things this platform allows you to do, because it really does help me out and I appreciate it. And with that, I'll see you later. Peace.